Okay. God still gave you.
Come on.
Job.
Yeah,
For his choice.
Yes, sir.
And you got to look at it. And I can understand that Job probably praised God beyond measure. But Job didn't have to apologize for being doubly blessed.
Come on, man.
Because he didn't complain when he was going through his storm.
Yeah.
What I'm telling you today is in the midst of your storm, don't complain. When God confronts you, don't complain.
Yeah.
I want you to condition yourself, your heart, your mind, and your innermost soul, and say, you got to do like God. Job would say, though he slay me, yet will I trust him. God, all I got to stand on is faith. That's why I got the word, because the word is a lamp to our feet and a